Good day, everyone. My name is Adamoleko Himano from Nigeria, here with my colleague, Mr. Emmanuel Maiga from Tanzania. We are here to make a debate presentation on the topic, is it ethical to conduct gain-of-function genomic research on zoonotic viruses in African labs to prepare for future pandemics? Our introduction. What does gain-of-function mean? The term gain-of-function applies to the functional consequence of changes in genetic makeup of an organism, including viruses. This can be through natural selection or a researcher's experiments. Such changes can be harmless or even beneficial. This is our opening statement. Working with dangerous viruses sound like trouble, but here is what scientists learn from studying pathogens in secure labs. Understanding what these viruses do and how they do it and how they spread helps researchers develop measures to detect, mitigate, and control their expansion. The goal is to be able to detect, cure, or prevent diseases. This is where GOF genomic research in African labs come in. Why do we support GOF research? One, discoveries of modern diagnostic technology. Gain of function experiments may help researchers test scientific theories, develop new diagnostic technologies, and find treatments for infectious disease. Two, it helps us learn what a gene does in a virus. A researcher may determine that deleting a specific gene causes a particular viruses to replicate more slowly. The discovery that a specific viral protein is important for influenza A infection led to development of the drug Preparedness. Mass-adopted H1N1 is frequently used in studying influenza antivirals in mice. 3. Understanding the evolution of zoonotic viruses. GOF genomic research that focus on potential pandemic pathogens can help to better understand the evolving pathogenic landscape for pandemic preparedness and response. 4. Developing a new vaccine strain. Pharmaceutical company may develop a weakened strain of a specific virus to use as a vaccine. A non-virulent virus strain is created that causes mild or no symptoms but protect against future infection. This is how chicken pox vaccine were developed. 5. Generation of genomic data. GOF research generates data for elucidating disease origins and transmission dynamics, including emergence of traits like drug or vaccine resistance. Sequences and paleogenes have potential to increase accuracy of forecasts, helping in predicting the emergence of more virulent pathogen strain and effectiveness of public health measure. Our negative team have brought out some arguments. Number one, ethical consideration, that is the risks of accidental release. 2, GOF research involves manipulating of viruses. What were the arguments against our opinion? 1, benefit risk imbalance. The potential of benefits of GOF genomic research, such as improved understanding of viral evolution and pandemic preparedness, may not be equally distributed. That is why establishing African Center of Excellences of GOF genomic research on zoonotic viruses in different African regions is possible. Two, community engagement and consent. Research involving zoonotic viruses must involve meaningful engagement with local communities. This includes transparent communication about the research, potential risks and benefits, and obtaining informed consent from individuals potentially affected by the research. Three, the concern of biosafety, biosecurity. Robust biosafety and biosecurity measures are essential to prevent accidental release and unauthorized access to pathogens. This requires not only acquired infrastructure, but also strict adherence to protocol and ongoing training of personnel. 9. The concern of justice and equity. The allocation of resources for GOF genomic research and equitable distribution of its benefits should be carefully considered. They also raised the concern of long-term stewardship. The genomic research should be conducted with a strong sense of responsibility, ensuring that research findings are appropriately managed and shared. Research capacity is built in a sustainable way within African institutions. This is our closing statement. Gain of function research can provide information on possible mutations that arise in current known viruses and can improve community surveillance efforts to identify emergence of such mutant strain. Thus, GOF research can ensure that the public is prepared in advance for potential outbreak. The scientific community calls for transparency and safety accreditation for all laboratories performing gain-of-function research on highly pathogenic organisms. Zoonotic research technology can be part of a broader scientific pipeline that can connect viral discovery to development of biomedical ecological solutions to predict, prevent, and prepare for future pandemic. These are reference lists. Thank you for listening to us.